Imagine unlocking a hidden superpower that could instantly boost your productivity and eliminate the mental fog holding you back. What if I told you that after months of research, we've discovered a game-changing tool called the value-based decision filter? Today, I'll reveal how this powerful technique can help you break free from the paralyzing grip of decision fatigue, that overwhelming feeling when you can't make a decision. But here's the thing. This isn't just another productivity hack. It's a complete paradigm shift in approaching choices in our hyper-connected world. Stick around to the end of this video. You'll not only understand why you've been feeling so drained lately, but also have a concrete strategy to reclaim your mental energy and skyrocket your productivity. Trust me, you won't want to miss the shocking revelation at the end. Let's dive in and unlock your mind's true potential. Let's break it down. The value-based decision filter is your framework for making choices that reflect your core values. It's like having a compass that always points to what's most important in your life. Here's how to create your decision filter in 5 simple steps. Step 1. Identify your core values. Take a moment to reflect on what matters most to you. Is it personal growth, work-life balance, or maybe creativity? Pick 5 core values that resonate with you. Step 2. Prioritize your values. Rank these values in order of importance. This will help you when you're faced with tough choices. Step 3. Create decision questions. For each value, create a question that helps you evaluate decisions. For example, if health is a core value, ask yourself, does this choice support my physical and mental well-being? Step 4. Develop a quick reference tool. Create a digital note or even a physical card with your values and questions. Keep it handy on your devices or in your wallet. Step 5. Apply the filter. When you're faced with a decision, big or small, run it through your value questions. If it aligns with your top values, you're on the right track. Now let's see this in action. Imagine you're a young professional working remotely, and you're invited to a last-minute virtual happy hour with colleagues. Your decision filter might look like this. Core values. 1. Work-life balance. 2. Career growth. 3. Mental well-being. Decision questions. 1. Will this help me maintain a healthy balance between work and personal life? 2. Does this contribute to my professional development or network? 3. Will this choice support my mental health and stress levels? By quickly running through these questions, you can make a decision that aligns with your values without the mental gymnastics. And, the shocking revelation I promised at the beginning, your inability to make decisions isn't a personal failure. It's a systemic issue deeply rooted in modern digital culture, and your value-based decision is your psychological liberation strategy. Your value-based decision filter is a psychological deprogramming tool. It's not just about making choices. It's about breaking free from social media comparison traps, toxic hustle culture, generational pressure to succeed, unconscious perfectionism. The goal here isn't to make perfect decisions every time. It's about reducing the mental load and making choices that feel right for you. Stay mindful, stay productive, and keep breaking those decision fatigue chains. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment.